you ready, Victoria? They've come to help you. Yeah. All right, I'm here with Dr. Rosen. Hello. They've come all the way from LA.
Yeah.
Wow, to do Victoria Cockatoo's CAT scan, which I'm so thankful because she gets car sick.
Oh, I know. Yeah, it's much easier for us to come to people a lot for various reasons. If you get car sick or they're stressed or anything like that. So we like to come to people. We go all over Southern California. This is our CT truck, so we can do advanced imaging, and then we have other trucks that have like surgical suites and other radiology and labs and things like that. So we can do other things in the other trucks. But this is our CT scanner, so we can do Victoria's little scan today, and it'll be really quick and easy, so we can see what's going on with her.
And right in our front yard.
Yeah.
We're just waiting. They're heating up the CT scan. We're gonna put her inside there. They're gonna let me go in with her. Mwah. They're gonna sedate her and do the CT scan, and then hopefully we don't find anything too exciting. And if we do, we hope that Dr. G can make her better, because Dr. G makes everything better.
It's not scary, okay? In fact, you're going to be asleep and you're not going to know what's going on. We got to take a picture of your little skull, make sure you're okay, and send it to Dr. G, okay?
And are we doing the full body?
We can do our full body.
Could you?
It's actually really easy because she's so little.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
So we're looking for a clamp when she had her hysterectomy.
Oh, that's what Athena said.
we're
All of a
busy.
sudden there were two, like there was two and there had been three?
Yes.
That's weird, right?
Never been seen.
Yeah, Athena was like, I don't know how to explain that
She's full of mysteries.
one. Are you a mystery girl?
Andy, he's also come. And
Melanie.
And this is Melanie. You already got a kissy.
I love it. I mean, can anyone resist a snuggly cockatoo? It's just my favorite. Like, start, and you don't want to move at all while the CT is running. Like, don't walk around or have anyone open the door or anything, because it's very, very sensitive to motion. It's like the 3D reconstruction. Very cool. And you can like mess around with that too. Little chicken rotation. She looks real cute in the CT. Everyone looks so cute in the CT. Yeah, like that could be two, and they just moved really close together.
That's what we were wondering.
Yeah, like this, that could be two, and that's one. Like just moved really close together, maybe?
I bet that's what happened. That's the only thing that would make sense. It's not gonna...
Right, like where did it go? Right.
Yeah.
Where did it go? Look at her cute little lungs.
How did they look?
They look good.
Good.
See anything
Oh, look at her little...
there? I knew she looked like a little chicken. She's so cute. Yeah, we'll see what the radiologist says, but I bet that is like two that got smushed together, maybe like her body moves them.
The feather follicles.
I know, it's cool, right?
Easy. This is
Yeah.
so good. People can see this.
Yeah, they get some cool. I mean, we had the best cat abdomen was Laura's cat. And it was like so beautiful. I was like, this is the most beautiful cat abdomen I've ever seen. Okay. Yeah, put her on like 1.5. Quick listen.
So now the contrast is going in.
So actually now I'll show you how to do stats. Little cute nasal turbinates.
Oh, those are
They're real.
nasals.
They're real cute. See the little.
A lot more complex than humans.
Yeah, she has a lot more to do in her face than we do.
Whoa.
She's much more complicated than we are. I don't see anything too crazy though.
Dr. G got a full feather out of one of the nostrils.
Yeah, that
I wonder.
got stuck or something. She does have a little bit of more stuff on this side than the other side though, so I wonder if she's got some congestion on this side.
One of the sides has been giving her a lot more problems.
But than the other side. So
She's on meloxicam for inflammation, and I flush her.
you do.
She does breathing treatments and a
That's
whole
good.
thing.
They give her some fluids because she got the contrast, and it's better to wash it out of their kidneys.
Thank you.
I know. What was that? I know. Oh, that was so weird. What happened? What happened? Oh, that was crazy. That was crazy. Okay. Oh, no. What happened? Oh, it's all right. I know. Okay. You're okay. I know. You're going to be a little... I know. You're going to be a little sloppy. What happened? Got in some drugs.
It's okay, Victoria.
Yeah, you're okay. You're
Right here.
I know. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I know you feel a little weird, but it's okay. Let me give you some fluids. Give you some fluids so you're not dehydrated. Yeah. I just go to one office. Yeah, we're going to give you some fluids. Some fluids. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, I know. I know it feels good. Yeah, it feels good. My stethoscope. I've lost a lot of stethoscopes to cockatoos over the years, actually. It's not my first time using a stethoscope to cockatoos. It's been ongoing. It's not going to go okay. That way she's over feels weird. I'm walking. It's good for your kidneys. You did really good. You were very good girl.
That was so fascinating to watch.
It's cool, right?
I had no idea how it was done. That's why it was so scary to me.
No, it's really easy. Birds tend to do very, very well because they just have to be masked out and then they do great. We don't have to use any like injectable drugs, so they just blow off the gas and it's really easy. Like there's nothing systemic, that happens. They do great.
Thank you so much for showing us.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you're just really eating that. Yeah. Yeah, that's really, she's like, no, that is what I'm doing. Do you know how many stethoscopes I've replaced specifically because of cockatoos? 5.
5.
That's
You're gonna have some swelling in this leg from the fluids.
Okay.
It'll just so you know, it'll be absorbed in a couple hours.
Okay.
She says no.
Thank you.
Oh, you're okay. Okay. Sorry, but I had to snuggle you, and now you're covered in makeup, and you look like a Moluccan.
I'm leaving with a Moluccan cockatoo.
Yeah, we colored you. I'm sorry.
That's a good color for her.
It is. I mean, you look really pretty. I think peach is a good color on you. So what can I say? You look very stylish. I know you're mad. I'm sorry. But we had to get all your pictures taken, and you did really good. You are a perfect patient.
I'm
I
gonna
know. You
put
did
her in
really
bed,
good.
my bed, and
Yeah.
cover her up and
She gets
snuggle
all
her.
the treats today. Every treat. All the treats, okay? You get all the good stuff today because you're a very special patient. She's like, I know.
All right, we're all done. We're all done, Victoria. Now we just have a short walk right into the house. This was amazing. Here we go. And we're home. Just like that. Just like that, Victoria.